let us look the beautiful sea and river, which is one of the beautiful sights in our area. This is the beautiful sea here in our place, which is really relaxing and stress relieving. It is located just here in our barangay of Kawit Zona, Gloria Oriental, Mindoro. That is the PMI pier that was erected just 4 years ago. Many people from different places coming here to bath and see the beautiful sea scenery. Now let's go to the port of the ship. It is very relaxing here from my stand because here you can see the overall view of the beach. It is really beautiful and amazing. In this place, we can see from my location, it is a port of ships coming from different places. And I am saddened why the leader of our area agreed to allow this kind of activity or quarrying because I know when the days goes by, it would be harm to our environment. And one of the problem of the fishermen here is that the ships that take tons of sand to take elsewhere. This is the reason why few fish are caught by the fishermen, and it also destroys the habitats of the various species under the sea. Let us now discover the different kind of species or plants in this area. This plant is what we call beach morning glory plants. It also referred as railroad vine due to its scrambling nature and ability to cover roadsides. As I walking, I saw this kid picking up agihes. Agihes is a small shellfish that can be eaten. It is one of the delicious type of shellfish, especially its broth. This is the shape of the agihes in our area. It is a triangular shape. This another species is what we call tipas, which can be found in the seafloor and can also be eaten. But in this case, it is very small and it's better it to return to the water. Now we are going to the one of the rivers in this place which is connected to the sea. And if you are going to be here, it's really relaxing because of the quietness of this place. As we can see, there's a lot of mangroves here that covers the shorelines of the river. It provides shelter for different species which include fishes, shells, migratory birds, reptiles, and even turtles. It also helps in maintaining the cleanliness of the water by filtering pollutants and unnecessary waste of land. There are another trees found here in this area like sasa. It can be used to create roofs or pawid. Another one is the buli, coconuts, and etc. This is a small trees of a mangrove. Another kind of plant is what we call aroma, where it has thorns in its stem. These are commonly grows in the shorelines of rivers and also seas. And now, let us look for another species. This kind of shell is what we call talaba or oyster. It is one of my favorite kind of seashells. It is a rich source of vitamin D, copper, zinc, and manganese. Oysters serve as an important purpose in removing excess organic matter from the coastal ecosystem. Another one is the suso or river snails. This kind of snails can be eaten and it is also delicious when we cook ginataan. This another kind of shell is what we call busikit. It is usually sticks to the trees or woods. This can also be eaten. While I am looking at the water, I see a fish which called palu or a type of fish living in a fresh water. Okay, let's try it to catch. Oops, very fast. These are the species we found. We must keep in care so we can maintain our ecosystem. Avoid throwing garbage or waste in different bodies of water. Let us preserve our environment.